grade food. Alright guys, we're back with the disintegrating meatballs. Anyway, so we're just working this dog on. This dog has got to learn to heel and stuff. Joey, which I'm sure you're saying, yeah, that's why it's here. You know, but he'll start biting the leash and stuff and start shaking it. And I was trying to remember whether he did that when he was a puppy. I do remember he would jump up. Anyway, we're going to get the backpack on him now, because I don't remember, if you remember those pictures when he was a puppy, when he wore the little backpack. Where's my pager? I do have my nuke set on about 20. So you see, he's definitely starting to get the idea. Dog, that's for sure. Alright, so the main thing you want to make sure and do is have the pager and the food together. The pager really, it's a cue, but it really does need to equal in the beginning especially. So I'm going to do my turn. Doing absolutely perfect. These treats are really, you know, these treat companies, they don't treat us. You know, we love the Rocco and Roxy, but, you know, maybe I should suggest that to them. You know, that they make, you know, bite-sized pieces. Sure, you can break them up, but who has time for that? All right, so I'm gonna. See why my hand position is so important. You see why I always say keep this hand forward. I'm going to do my pager. He's almost ready for the slow moves. So my arm is bent. This finger's on the pager. And I do have a certain little cadence to my walk. Walk, I'm going to do my pager, turn right there. So that way, later, if I need to get his attention, I can go right back to turn. All right, Joe, we're going to try to get a slow-mo.